Hello, Joseph Noy here, connecting with you on Zoom. Side of our first Bank Treasurers Peer Group Fall Edition meeting. This group for U.S. regional bank treasurers has met annually in May for 16 years running, and we are pleased to offer a second half meeting this year as part of our digital pivot and expansion of member offerings. A big thank you to the members and guest members who participated and to Morgan Stanley for supporting this expanded offering. Here are a few takeaways I wanted to share. First, banks have enough capital. The expectation is that U.S. banks will pass the next two stress tests, even with COVID-19 inspired stress scenarios, indicating everyone is truly well capitalized. And this will free up buybacks and dividends for those that have had them halted for political reasons. Second, the war is over for deposits. The massive liquidity infusion by the Fed, stimulus, and a NIM-unfriendly rate environment have ended the war for deposits that banks in the U.S. were waging pre-COVID. Instead, U.S. banks are actually turning away deposits, especially by adjusting pricing and fees to discourage them. Indeed, if you take a close look at ECR and fees, you may already be paying your bank to hold your money. Finally, a Democratic sweep is NIM-friendly. The outlook for the banking sector may be much improved if the Democrats take the White House and the Senate in the upcoming election. This would end the logjam on fiscal stimulus, making bank reserves for credit losses suddenly excessive, plus with likely infrastructure spending will push up inflation expectations to the point where the long end of the curve may rise and become more NIM-friendly. All good news for banks. The bad news is that the regulatory edicts that raise their cost of capital and liquidity may also rise, and banks are already losing their competitive advantage to non-regulated funding platforms. That's it for me, Joseph Noy, connecting with you on Zoom. For more insights like these validated by NeuGroup members, visit neugroup.com. Stay safe and well.